My video guide will help you to get rid of the pop-ups related to the site directsearch.com. By the way, these pop-ups promote a special extension for the Google Chrome browser. The extension is called Direct Search Online. The trouble with this extension is that it functions as a typical browser hijacker. In fact, it is a browser hijacker. So if you see these pop-ups by directsearch.com, do not interact with them and do not install anything that they actually suggest. If you install this direct search online extension, as I said, the default search engine of your Google Chrome browser will be hijacked. I'm going to install this extension on purpose in order to let you know how to uninstall it after it was mistakenly installed. So first of all, let us research how it affects your browser. When you submit certain search queries, you may get the results by Yahoo search or sometimes by other unwanted search engine. So it was not your choice to use Yahoo, it was the choice of this extension that was mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser. Therefore, if you are not happy with all such alterations into the way your browser operates, you should get rid of this extension, and of course you should not tolerate these pop-ups by directsearch.com. By the way, I have made the analysis of this website on Alexa site ranking, and you can clearly see that now these pop-ups attack many countries, including Spain, France, Italy, and other countries too. To remove any third-party extensions, do the following. Access the menu of your Google Chrome, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find this Direct Search Online extension, disable and remove the extension completely. So this should fix the issue very well. But my strong recommendation is that you also research your device with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin carefully researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.